Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by Transitions Indy.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele, and today we are coming to you from Transitions Indy, the largest hair restoration facility in the Midwest, based here in Indianapolis. We are joined by the clinic director, Will Sadler, but we also have a special guest today. And Will, I'm going to let you introduce her. She's one of your clients.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here as well, Laura. It's always a pleasure having you. And yeah, like you said, today is a bit of a unique day because we have got one of our own clients here, Sandy, that's going to kind of walk us through her journey and kind of what the treatments have been able to do for her.
Yeah, so I was starting to notice that I was losing hair by the handfuls, and that got very, very scary. Other people weren't noticing that I was losing hair yet, but I was noticing that my ponytail was much smaller. I was using a lot less shampoo, and I needed help to figure out what my options were to try and combat this issue.
And I know you had a big birthday and hormonal changes, and then you work full time. You're also a volunteer, so you're busy. Let's talk about finding that time to come into Transitions Indy.
Yeah, you just have to figure out where it fits in your schedule. And then there are days when I try and get them in last minute, and they've always been able to get me in when I call in that day.
Let's talk about the different options that people like Sandy can experience when they call Transitions Indy.
Absolutely. So we have different options. We have FDA approved laser hair therapy. They're quick, easy, painless. You're in and out in 30 minutes. PRP, platelet rich plasma, which you're from check in to check out. You're in about 45 minutes. Sandy, you're actually doing both of these options as well for your hair, and non-surgical hair replacement. So Riley, she's suffering from lupus, and so she was wearing a wig before. Now she's doing the non-surgical hair replacement option, which is great. Nikki from the Smiling Morning Show, she's doing the PRP laser hair therapy, pharmaceutical grade products. We also have transplants for men. So, you know,
and you've had one, it should be noted.
I have, yes. So 6 years ago, I actually had the multi-unit hair grafting procedure through our sister company of We Grow Hair, Indy. So no matter what it is, hope is there. There is a solution for you.
Okay, and what's the message you would like to say to women who may be watching today experiencing what you experienced?
Yeah, I would just say don't be afraid to ask for help. There are options out there for you, and Transitions is a good place to start.
All right, thank you so much. How can people find out more?
All you have to do is just call us at 317-522-2991 or go to transitionsindy.com.
All right, and if you'd like to see your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack at WTHR.com. Will and Sandy, thank you for your time.
Today's 13 Inside Track was sponsored by Transitions Indy.